You know about that?
Yeah, I'm a bad motherfucker.
What?
Yeah.
What's up guys, back with another YouTube video. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and that you're following the lockdown protocol. So as some of you guys know that I have a barbell and some weights, so I'm managing with it. Wanted to be a little creative for you guys, so came up with this idea because when I was a kid, and I was very fascinated by people with big biceps and stuff. So that time I had this idea of going to the washroom, and I used to lift the bucket by filling water in it. So that thought came to my mind that now the gym is not there, and so same way the gym used to not be there, and I used to lift bucket. So I came up with this idea of working out with the bucket. So why the bucket? It's because how the bucket is shaped, the size of the bucket, and you can adjust the load as per how much water you put into it. Okay, so anybody can do the workout with the bucket and put as much as water you want into it. I could have done difficult stuff like calisthenics and handstand and all the other things, but the thing is that not everybody will be able to do it. So I wanted to do something which everybody can do it, be it an athlete or a normal person who goes to the gym to stay fit. I like to do more of strength training kind of stuff. So the exercises which I thought of, I thought that it will be great to be done with a bucket. Okay, one more thing is that because there were so many exercises, I decided that I will drop parts of the videos. Like in the first video I'll be just putting exercises of legs. In the second video I'll be putting exercises of upper body, which is only chest and back. In the third video I'll be putting exercises for the arms, which is shoulder, bicep and tricep. And in the fourth video I'll be just putting a bonus video in which there is slightly difficult exercises. Okay, so just for the sake of some fun. So if you want, you can check that out as well. Recommendations for sets and reps is 2 to 3 sets. Okay, and choose like 3 to 5 exercises, not more than that, for 8 to 12 repetitions, and try to put the load or the water as much as possible. But the challenge is that you should not spill the water on the floor, or else your mom will kill you. Okay, so the tip is to do the workout before you mop the floor. So even if you spill the water, you can later on clean it and your mom will be happy that way. Okay, don't go for more than 3 to 5 exercises, and do it every alternate days or 2 to 3 times in a week. You can also mix these exercises with some kind of conditioning or HIIT workout, and or else what you can do is that you can do first your conditioning or HIIT workout and then do these strength exercises, so that it becomes much more difficult to push the weights after your conditioning workout because you're already fatigued. So since home workouts is not my kind of thing, because like I like to do hardcore weight training stuff, I thought of this bucket workout because I thought that it will be challenging. And trust me guys, like I did around 10 reps of every exercises for the legs, and my legs were sore by the end of all the exercises. Though there were 9 to 10 exercises, which is like approximately like around 100 reps, but it's challenging. And I wasn't even using a bucket filled with water completely. Like the bucket was just filled half, and it was still that difficult because of the fluidity of the water. The water keeps moving back and forth as you keep moving, so it becomes difficult. Also, entire time you keep holding the buckets in your hand at a flexed position, right? So even your biceps, your shoulder and your forearm, like your entire arm gets fatigued and gets worked out throughout the exercises that you have done. And even your core, it challenges your core as well. So go and try it, and let me know in the comment section below.
When I, the prince of all Saiyans, do not. The intensity of my training was maddening. It seemed like the only thing holding my body together was my one desire. To be better than a Kakarot. Then something just snapped, something inside of me. You do not know how single-mindedly I dedicated myself to becoming stronger. The more we fight, the more powerful we become. I am the Titan. I have no limits. Reach down deep. Take some pride in your heritage. Always ready for the next challenge, even if it's bigger than before. At first, I thought it was your loved ones, that it was your infant. Will I meet that clown Kakarot in the other world?
I'm not going to lie to you, Vegeta, although the answer may be difficult for you to hear. Goku devoted his life to protecting the lives of others.
Your fight is with me. The others are of no concern to you. Got it? You big bloated balloon freak! Hurry, Krillin, go!
Someone other than himself, controlling his own fate.
Saying always keeps his what do you know of me? Tell me. Vegeta, I am a warrior. The Saiyan Prince, Vegeta! I refuse! Has he lost his mind or what?
So that's it for part 1 today, guys. It was a great experience making this video. I'm getting a hang of it. If you like the video, like and share. If you have any ideas, questions or suggestions, comment down below and let me know. If there are enough questions, I'll attend all those questions and I'll do a Q&A video. And subscribe and share as much as possible.